welcome back to Fun Time. Today I'll be teaching you how to fold an origami bird. Let's start. So for this origami, I'll be using a green sheet of paper and of course a black marker. And let's start. So first up, fold your paper diagonally in half. Crease tight. Make sure your creases are tight, guys. Otherwise, it's not going to look that cute. And repeat it on the other side. Trying to make it as precise as possible. There we go. And nice. Now we can crease that also nice and tight. Tight. Open it up. And you're going to take one point and fold it to the middle intersecting point of these diagonal lines. Now, crease it tight, guys. Nice and tight. Now, open it up. Take the top part, fold it to the bottom. And now, what you're going to do is we'll just crease this a little more tighter, guys. Okay. So now, see this part? I'm just gonna kind of give it a nice little distance. So, there we go. And make sure that is perfect. The creases are perfect. And now, you can just fold. And actually, you can just make it a little higher because I feel like, crease it like so. There we go. And now we're gonna make the beak. So there we go. We can just put. We're gonna make a real small beak, so try to make it as small as possible. Crease it and open it. Don't fold it already, guys. So now take this part and fold it to the middle crease, like so. And we can just repeat that on the other side as well. There we go. And now fold it up. See this itsy bitsy beak. So cute. That's the best part about a tiny beak. And now what we're going to do is see this part. We're going to fold it to this point right here. You're going to just take it and fold it. So we're going to apply pressure on this point. Pull it up and just curve it over here. And now make a tight crease. So there should be two creases here. I'll open it up like this. And you see these creases? You're going to make it into a valley fold. Make the straight line into a mountain fold. And these creases into a valley fold. So you can fold the paper and make this a valley mountain fold here. Just trying our best to make a mountain fold. See, guys? So this is the most kind of difficult part in it. This origami, but still, it's pretty easy to do. And now what we're gonna do is obviously push just like this, guys. And now take this part and we're gonna fold it into a wing. So that's gonna be pretty cute. I'm just gonna take as much place as you like, guys. Repeat it on the other side as well. So I'm actually gonna try and make it like so. Try to make the wings a little diagonal, guys. So it's way better and easier. And now it looks very weird. So see these flaps? We're just gonna pull it upwards until it feels kind of, okay or cute. And just repeat it on the other side as well. So this looks kind of cute. Yeah, this looks good. When you feel that, you can just open it up and do it as a reverse fold in. So there we go. And we are done. Now you can use our black marker to draw the eye. So one over here. And we are done, guys. Let me just show it up. And look at these, guys. I also made a tiny one. This is from an A4 size cut square paper. This is from a 15 by 15. And look at how cute these are, guys. And yeah, guys. So I hope you love this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Fun Time. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.